So, you are addicted to your phone. Don't worry, there is nothing to be ashamed of, but if you want to be a little more productive in your life, I think this app may help you. Hey guys, this is Himanshu from CreatorShed and let's see what this app does. So what exactly this quality time app does? Well, in simple words, with this app you can monitor your phone usage. How much time you are spending on your phone, this app records all of that and gives you exact details that how much time you have spent on Facebook, Instagram and on any other apps. With this visual representation, you may feel guilty and get back to your work. That's the main motive of this app. You can also take a break of maybe 1 hour from your phone by setting the time in it. Now this app is just made for those who really want to be more productive in their work. For all other lazy asses, this won't work. Right now this app is kind of working for me, so if you want to know more, follow me on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like if you liked it and subscribe for more.